What is up, everybody? My name is Nicolette Electra, and today we are going to be doing another Makeup Monday. And this week we are wrapping up the Lady Gaga series that I have going on. So if you guys like the series, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be having more makeup series coming up in the next few weeks, and also if you like makeup, if you like photography, if you like traveling, things like that, also hit that subscribe button because I do upload every freaking Monday, every Wednesday, and every Saturday. That's the goal. Sometimes I miss one here and there, but that's when your weekly episodes are gonna come out. So like I said, hit that subscribe button and yeah. So today's video, we are going to be doing a Lady Gaga's beautiful Dirty Rich makeup look. It was from her first album that she did, and it was one of the music videos from that album. Just as a warning for today, my apartment is doing some sort of like fire testing. So we will probably be hearing a bunch of different beeps going on throughout the entire day. So sorry about that. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to work on the eyes first and then do my face because I don't know, I've been screwing up my eyeshadow lately, so that's kind of what's been going on. Okay, so starting off, I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow primer. So after I put on this primer on my eyelids, I am going to go in with what looks like kind of just like a neutral tone to your skin color, and just basically pack it into my eyelid just to make sure that it's a fairly neutral, clean base and that it's easy to blend. So this look is a very 2008-2010. So yeah, I don't know if I would wear this on a regular basis, but we'll see. We'll mess with it today. So first color that I'm gonna go in with is gonna be this like neutral brown. I'm gonna put that into my crease just as a form of like a base of sorts. It's a orangey color originally, or it's a very orangey toned makeup look, but for this we're just going to start off with the brown. Next, I'm going to go in with this like a reddish orange color up at the top and just apply that directly to the crease. In this particular video, as I was trying to say, she has her eyebrows bleached. I have said this many times before, that is not my forte, because girl, I cannot get these to go away. So we are gonna keep on with our natural color. I do have a wig that has potential to be worn with this look, but TBH, I'm a little bit embarrassed with it. I don't know how to wear wigs yet. I have two, and I have three, or I had three. I don't know what happened to the last one. And the third one, I wore it out for a concert, and I just like looking back at the pictures, I don't mind it, but at the same time I'm like, girl, you do not know how to put on a wig. So I just try and avoid that entire feeling altogether now. And just not do it like that. Just trying to avoid it now altogether and not do it. But I think once I start feeling more comfortable with wigs, I'll whip them out. I got a bunch of wigs because like I was cutting my hair and I didn't know how cut hair would look, to be honest. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get these wigs because like if I don't look good, at least I can wear a wig. But now I'm like comfortable with my cut and I'm not comfortable with the wigs. So that's how that goes. So next, we're gonna go in with the James Charles palette, and looking at it, she has a very gold color, so we're gonna go in with this golden tone and just do the rest of the eyelid with that. It's not a bad color. I take that back. This could be a vibe wearing out in public. This could be a vibe. Now I'm just gonna basically go in and just darken it out, make it a little more colorful. not too shabby. So next step is going to be the eyeliner. That's really the only thing that's left. It's a pretty, I just spit all over. It's a pretty simple look. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a wing. It doesn't look like there's much of a wing, but I'm gonna provide myself a little wing. I'm going to go in with my trusty dusty House Laboratories eyeliner to just give myself a small wing. I'm not gonna be using falsies, as you guys probably already know. I am shooting this on the last day of quarantine, so again, where am I going? Nowhere. I don't need false lashes. Nice. Eyeliner is done. So now I'll do the foundation, and then from the foundation I'll add the lower lash line like tones and stuff and the mascara and all that. So for foundation, I'm gonna use my good old faithful, and to apply, I'm just going to go. Alright, the foundation is done, and now I'm gonna go in with my highlight. Probably, maybe? I don't think so, actually. And then mattify my face, and then go from there. I use the Kylie Jenner translucent, you know. I link everything down below. And I'm just going to powder my face real quick. Alright, now it's done. And then to wrap up with the face, I'm gonna do some blush. So since she's in a very red tone, no, I'm not gonna use the red one, but I am going to use a more bright-ish color. I'm gonna use this one here as my one. I find that coral tones look good on my like skin tone. Don't know why, but I dig. So I'm gonna give myself a little bit of blush as color. Face is basically done, and then from here what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go in with my this kind of brush, and I'm gonna line the bottom with like an orangey color, the same one that we used on both of my eyes. Okay, so after that I'm gonna add a little bit of liner on the bottom lash line as well, using my same old House Laboratories. And now we're gonna go in with our mascara and just put mascara all over your eyelashes. This would be the perfect time to add the falsies, because this particular look has falsies. You can see them pretty clearly. It's 2008. However, like I said, today I will not be wearing lashes, so but if you are doing this for like Halloween, or just because you want to look like her, or just because you like the look, you could wear falsies, you could not. It's kind of up to you. As I said earlier too, this is a look that she has blonde eyebrows. I do not have blonde eyebrows, so I'm gonna go in and fill mine in real quick. All right, the eyebrows are now filled, and now it is time for the moment that you guys have all been waiting for, and that is me using the new House Laboratories lip crayon. Maybe it's not the moment you guys have been waiting on, but it's the moment I've been waiting on, because I have not tried this yet. So I haven't used it yet, as you can see. The packaging is simple. It does not seem as sturdy as maybe some of the other ones that I've gotten, but I think it serves its purpose, and it's cute, and we'll see how it works. So on application, let's see. Okay, it's one of those, it's one of the twist ones. Ooh, buttery. Okay. Oh, huh. That would sum up the look, but let's talk about this real quick. That application was buttery smooth. That was a very smooth application. And it's like, it's matte, but it's creamy. Would I buy more? Yes, as of now. I am someone who is obsessed with lipstick too, so if this lasts me through some stuff, it's gonna be a keeper. And if it doesn't bleed, that's one thing I absolutely hate, is when you buy any kind of like lipstick, lip crayon, lip stain, and it bleeds. Ugh, so annoying. Anyways, that basically completes the beautiful, dirty, rich makeup look, you know, kind of thing. We'll let the curls go now. I've changed my perspective. I believe this is a look that I would wear out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it was semi-entertaining, you know. But side note, definitely if you have the chance and you're interested, purchase the House Laboratories lip crayon thing, because this is very buttery smooth. I will kind of wait it out for a few more hours and see how it bleeds. But if it doesn't bleed, I am definitely going to add that in the comments and let you guys know, like, A1. But thank you guys again for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like makeup, if you guys like photography, if you guys like traveling, all that kind of stuff, definitely hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much again for watching. We'll see y'all next time. See ya. Also, side note, if you know of any other looks that you think we should try, let me know in the comments below.